Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do the post stripes leaning pattern. For this pattern, you are going to need to know how to do a double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do that. So to get started, you want to chain multiples of 4 plus 1. Once you have that, you want to start off by chaining 3, and in the 4th chain from the hook, you're going to work a double crochet, followed by double crocheting in each stitch all the way to the end of the row. Once you have done that, you are going to turn your work and you're going to start row 2, which is going to start off by chaining 2, double crocheting in the first stitch. And to start the repeat for this pattern, we are going to do a back post double crochet where the post is in the back, followed by 3 double crochets. So again, it's a back post double crochet, followed by 3 double crochets. All right, next we are going to turn our work and we are going to chain 2. We are going to work 1 double crochet, and we're going to start our pattern by doing 1 double crochet followed by a front post double crochet, so the post is now in front, followed by 2 more double crochets. So again, the repeat for this row is going to be 1 double crochet, followed by a front post double crochet, and then finishing off with 2 double crochets. So for each row, we'll always start with 1 double crochet, and then the repeat for the pattern will always be the first 4 stitches that follow. So here we are on round 3. We are going to work a double crochet in our first stitch after chaining 2. Next, we are going to work 2 double crochets. We're going to work a back post double crochet, followed by 3 more double crochets. So again, we're going to do a back post double crochet, followed by 3 double crochets. And there you have it. That is how you do the post leaning stripes pattern. As you make it, you'll end up having this very beautiful texture in your work. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crocheted day.